Fascination and the mystery of Oumuamua continues. Many ask, is it hydrogen ice? Or many persons are also concerned about the composition of Oumuamua. They have said that it may have started out with a lot of hydrogen ice. This weird interstellar visitor continues to amaze and astound researchers and scientists alike. The strangeness of our solar system's first known interstellar visitor comes from a very unusual composition. Based on a study, they have suggested that Oumuamua started out as a lot of hydrogen ice. Oumuamua zoomed through Earth's neighborhood in the solar system in 2017. Oumuamua is currently making speedy trek toward the dark depths of the outer solar system. Maybe it is way past the Oort cloud at this time. Oumuamua is an interloper, and it has puzzled researchers many times. It continues. So, even years after it was detected, and the air of mystery surrounding this interstellar object has continued. Weirdness and the oddity of Oumuamua is multi-layered and also multifaceted. Take, for example, it is a cigar-shaped or pancake-shaped object, and this is out of the norm for space rocks. This is what astronomers and scientists have stated. They have said, based on the space rocks that they are familiar with observing, Oumuamua is different in shape. Astronomers have also stated that Oumuamua displayed non-gravitational acceleration. This means it had a movement that was not caused by the tug of the sun, nor any other huge cosmic object in the solar system. Comets frequently display such movement as they heat up and begin spouting jets, but Oumuamua never sported a cometary tail, nor a coma, as far as researchers, scientists, and astronomers observed. When Oumuamua was observed for the first time, it was a little bit strange. This was in consideration about how huge space is, how incomplete our search for such bodies in space has been. The detection implies that the population of Oumuamua-like objects that are in space is enormous, unless Oumuamua targeted our solar system by chance. There have also been some speculation that Oumuamua could be an alien spacecraft. Many have said that the visitor may be a solar sailing probe, perhaps a defunct one. It is also been mentioned that we should at least keep our minds open to the possibility of Oumuamua being a defunct spacecraft from another world. Current studies about Oumuamua have not suggested any far or otherworldly suggestions. However, it has stated that Oumuamua is extremely unique and special. They have been able to show that Oumuamua is likely composed of hydrogen ice. This is a new type of object, but it looks like there may be many more of these objects that will be showing up in the future. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, but we do not often see it in solid form. That requires extremely cold temperatures, but such temperatures exist in the coldest cores of giant molecular clouds, nurseries that give rise to stars and their associated planetary systems. Modeling work that was done in the study seemed to suggest that bodies rich in hydrogen ice could form in these cores, and that these bodies would behave similarly to Oumuamua when it cruised through our inner solar system. As Oumuamua passed close to the sun and received its warmth, melting hydrogen would have rapidly boiled off the icy surface, which would have provided the observed acceleration. And also, winnowing Oumuamua down to its weird elongated shape, much as a bar of soap becomes a thin sliver. Many uses in the shower. Hydrogen comets should be quite common, and being able to study them could shed some light on stars and planetary formation. The presence of these bodies would be an accurate probe of the conditions in the dark areas of star-forming clouds and provide important new information for understanding the earliest phases of the still mysterious processes that generate the birth of stars and their accompanying planets. The study has been accepted by many in the astronomy world. The new study is not the last word on Oumuamua. There are other potential explanations for its strangeness and oddity. There is, of course, the otherworldly idea. And of course, many have also stated that Oumuamua is a fragment of a larger body that was ripped apart during a close flyby of its native star. Other interstellar visitor that passed through our solar system is Comet Borisov. Comet Borisov was detected in August 2019. Borisov, however, is nowhere close in oddity and strangeness as Oumuamua. Comet Borisov is quite recognizable and observed as a comet. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the oddity and strangeness of Oumuamua. Do you think it's a comet? Do you think that it is a spacecraft? Do you think that it is a piece of a larger object that may have passed by its star? Do you think that it's an asteroid? Well, subscribe and watch some more. Thanks for watching the Learning Academy.